What's up people, welcome to a new video. In this video I'm gonna tell you the most popular hobbies that Finnish people do. I have an article here that basically has 10 things. So the most popular hobbies that Finnish people do. Let's see, what is gonna be number one? Number one is Lähiluonnossa liikkuminen ja ulkoilu. So that basically means spending time in the nature. So Lähiluonnossa means like if you live, example, in the suburbs, that you spend time there, you know, you go for a walk with your dog, you go walk with yourself, you enjoy the nature, you do what photograph, you just basically maybe go like if there's like a hut, you go grill there, things like that. And ulkoilu basically means like, you know, just spending time outside. So that's the popular one. Also people like camping nowadays, hiking and stuff like that, especially now with the current situation. A lot of people, like more people have found the outdoor activities. So more people now are going out to the nature. Let's see, number two, eli numero kaksi. Number two, kuntosalilla treenaaminen. So liikuntaharrastukset, so that's like a category, so basically hobbies, like sporting hobbies. So then there's gonna be going to the gym. As you know, Finnish people, we like to be in shape. We like to be in good condition and go to the beach and flex our muscles. No, just kidding. But you know, yes, so going to the gym, of course, people have different reasons. People have different goals to the gym. Some people go for like for health reasons, some people go for hypertrophy, they want to get muscle, some people want to get stronger, some people just like to go there because it makes them feel good. So kuntosalilla treenaaminen. Then we have bicycle, like biking, cycling, so that is pyöräily in Finnish. Pyöräily is gonna be the one. Then we have tanssi, so dance. Then you know, this was a popular Finnish hobby in the past, that they have like, you know, these dancing like events at nights. So people will go there to dance and meet new people there too. But of course nowadays more people, maybe it has gained popularity, I can tell, but maybe more people like are into different kind of dancing in the clubs and stuff like that. Erilaiset pallopelit, so that's gonna be different, like a ball games. So example, recreational soccer, difficult word. Ice hockey, like playing in your free time, and then basically one is padel. So padel has become a really popular here now in the last couple of years. That's basically like a tennis, but the court has walls, so ball doesn't go to the forest and then you need to pick it up and then you're angry because you need to do extra work. But in the paddle, niet. Uinti, swimming. So going to the swimming hole, going to the lake to swim, or even like ice swimming, so ice water swimming. I don't know the English word, but avantouinti basically in the winter time go to the lake to swim. That's popular one. You can even like buy a key, so you can go like buy a key to the like to the avantouintiseura. So for example, there's the sauna and then you're gonna go to the lake, back sauna to the lake. You can get a key like a membership. Hiihto, cross-country skiing, a really popular pastime here that basically a lot of people like to do. So cross-country skiing, we have example here in Kuopio, we have a lot of like, you know, these routes you can go and ski. Golf, great sport. What else to say? Golf is golf. Frisbeegolf then. So that's gonna be another popular. Finland is maybe the best country to play frisbeegolf. Maybe USA is also in the maybe better. I don't know. Maybe they have more players. But that's frisbeegolf is a sport where you throw the frisbee to like these things. it goes there and then you feel happy. But in golf, there's gonna be holes, but in frisbee golf, there's gonna be like these things where you throw it. Highly recommended. A lot of people like to do it here. And with all these hobbies, I want you to try them at least one time. If you have never tried something, try at least one time. Also, to the Finnish people who might watch this, that's also a good thing because it makes like it more like a balance like it life and things like that when you try at least one time. Hobbies are excellent, and people need hobbies too. Hyvä. Number 3, kulttuuri. So that's gonna be a culture. That can be going to the cinema, going to the theater and different live events and things like that. Maybe now with the situation those places have been closed, but they are now starting to open and people are rushing in to those places to enjoy some culture. Number 4, lepääminen ja perheen kanssa oleskelu. So that basically means relaxing and spending time with your family. You know, just reading together, playing board games together, watching television, cooking, baking, maybe doing some handcrafting things. That's popular. Number 5, Ystävien tapaaminen. So meeting with your friends. So that's popular. Maybe go to the cafe, maybe play board games, watch television, play video games. Go to the gym or cafe. Number 5, not yet. Number 6, Puutarha. So Puutarha is gonna be gardening. Yes. So if you live in an apartment, maybe in the balcony you can put like some plants to grow, some vegetables. If you have omakotitalo or mökki, you can basically have your own garden. So people like to do gardening. Excellent hobby. Basically, you can be like outside and it's relaxing and things like that. Especially now with like everything is like this hyper speed online thing. It's good to have like a hobbies that are you can have a detach a little bit. Right. I think that's a good important thing now because we have so much information like coming like in a lightning speed to us. So it's good to sometimes to basically just relax from that. Number 7, internet, pelit ja TV. So now internet, games, movies. What people do? They watch Netflix. Maybe some people do work or online. Read articles, anything you basically do in online. Games, esports is a big thing. A lot of people here like to play competitively or non-competitively. Communicate with your friends, play video games, computer games, watch television, Netflix, series and things like that. Excellent. 8, shopping. Not just window shopping. Maybe that can be a hobby too, but actual shopping. So you go to the mall, you go to the store, you go buy things or you go look for things. That's also a great activity because you can basically combine, like you can meet friends, you can go to the mall, you can go to shopping center, you can go eat. Maybe after that. Excellent. Number 9, ravintolat, baarit ja kahvilat. So restaurants. So people go out to eat, maybe at lunchtime or evening, night, free with friends and family. Baarit, so bars, as you know, some people like to party. Some people like to go to the bars, nightclubs, to have a good time. So that's a popular one. Harder nowadays because places have been shut down. Open, shut down, open till 6, open till 12. But I think it's gonna be more stable now. Kahvilat, so cafes. Spending time with the cafes, having a cup of coffee. So a lot of people like to drink coffee here. Personally, I don't drink coffee. But if you want to go on a coffee with me, we can go and I'm gonna get some water or juice. And we're gonna have a good time. Number 10, last one is gonna be käsityöt, so that's gonna be the handcrafting, like, things. So example, sculpturing, knitting, woodwork, maybe build a bird's nest. That's also a nice thing to do. Oh, what else? Like maybe men are like maybe more gravitated to like mechanics or car, like, doing car stuff, doing like some kind of fixing or things like that. Yeah. But anything you could basically do, like, with the hands. Maybe, I'm not sure what all activities are considered this handcraft, but basically, maybe if you can count like in some kind of like a playing piano or things like that. I'm not sure about that. Good. So those were basically top 10 with this list that was on the news site. Of course, we have a lot of like hobbies, different hobbies you can do here. You can even make your own hobby or own group. So what do you think about this list? What do you think about the items? What do you think about the activities? What do you think? Was it like surprising? And what hobbies have you done or would like to do? So you can let us know in the comment section with that. And as I said previously, it's nice to like, if somebody offers like, hey, lähdetään pelaamaan frisbeegolfia. Hey, let's go play frisbeegolf. You say, okay. So if you have never tried, you can say, hey, lähdetään vaan, let's go. Then you can try one time and see if you like to do that again. Maybe second time, maybe third time. And then it's fourth, fifth, things like that. But at least to try. I know sometimes, you might not be in the mood or life gets too hectic. But if you have a chance, you can try. Good. Any questions? Let us know. Email, comment section. Also, self-study online courses have been out and we have added more courses. You can check them out, link in the bio. If you want to have individual lessons, let us know. If you want to join our live group courses with a full of people who are excited to learn Finnish, look in the description. Also, you can find the info package of those courses on our website, fltservice.podia.com. So you can see what the live courses consist of, the topics and things like that. Anyway, we wish you a really nice laskiaissunnuntai. So today is laskiaissunnuntai 2. So today we eat the laskiaispulla, the bun, the thing. And then we go out to basically like go with the sled down the slope. But or go outside, especially now when there's a really beautiful day, sunny day. We like sunny days. Yes, excellent. Thanks for watching this video. See you soon. Nähdään. Moi moi!